We have a Pokemon Celebrations Collector's Box, guys, and we are gonna unbox this. Let's unbox it. This cost me $50, but you know what? It was all lottery winning, so it didn't matter. And the way this world is, I might as well just spend it on shit I don't even need, but, you know, I like Pokemon, so, you know. We gotta look at these promo cards. This one is a card I don't have from Celebrations. It is a beautiful Pikachu VMAX right here. Look at that. And I don't have this other Pikachu. Maybe I do. I can't remember. But yeah, I don't have that one. But it's just a Pikachu V. And let's look at the sets and I will show you the figurine after. First up, we got Chilling Rain. That is kind of, I don't like Chilling Rain, but Vivid Voltage, good set. Darkness Ablaze, another good set. And here is a cold card for you guys. Okay, let's show you this baby. This is cool. Does this actually glow in the dark, this electric tail? I'm not sure, but look at that. We'll find out later, but that is cool. Oh, and then we have tons of Celebrations packs. Let's see how many we get. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 right there, and then 4 right here. So yeah, we will open Chilling Rain first. There is one good card in Chilling Rain that I am looking for. And it's that $115 Chilling Rain. And Swirlax, Lapras, Deerling, Slowpoke, Coughing, a Hunter and Sniper, Energy, Fog Crystal, Hatteran, Drizzle. Nope, but here is a cold card. I don't expect anything special at Chilling Rain, but we're still looking for that Rainbow Pikachu. I pulled a Wander Franco, but anything could happen. Yes, I pulled a Wander Franco. It's only a $20 Wander Franco. Store that, Piplup, Mudberry, Joltek, Weedle, Swallow. But I've never seen this Jolton, and it's a beautiful artwork. So that's the rare. But, Energy, Subai, Dualet, Opal. But yeah, this is a beautiful Jolteon, and I am a big fan of Evolutions stuff. Again, this is $50, but the statue alone is probably like $20. We got a Cobalt, a Drama, a Lavatar, a Nicklet, a Bolsat, No! What the heck is this? What the heck is this? This is awesome. No way. I don't know how much this is worth, but look how beautiful. A Center Storage V. Look at that. Look at that. Holy crap. That is going in the VIP section. Energy, Cobra Patch, Dragons, Strava. I actually will put Jolteon in the VIP section, along with these two, because, yeah. Why did I put Jolteon in the VIP section? Well, you know what? Real Breaking Nate inspires me because I love Pokemon, and he inspires me to collect. And all because of Real Breaking Nate, I've been collecting Pokemon since December 2019. So we got a Dragula, we got a Zakharum. Oh, we got Gordon. I have this one, but you know what? Another one is okay. So, and a Zakharum V, which I already have, but we will put in the VIP section. And here is the cold card. We have 7 more packs of these. We got a Lugia, a Gordon. No way, got a Mew. I don't have this one yet. I do not have this one for my collection yet. So, and then we got a Zamzetta V. We're looking for the gold Mew though. Gold Mew's worth like $60. We Lugia, Gordon, Cosmog, and a Mew. So those are nothing. We got 5 more packs. Yato, Dagoa, Lugia. Ooh, Pikachu. I love my Pikachus. Here is the code card. So yeah, we got the Mew. We needed that for our collection, so we don't have that one yet. Cosmog. Say no way! We got a Xanaris ZEX. Yeah, and we got another duplicate of this. A Xanaris EX. I can't pronounce stuff today, but we are getting a lot of VIP cards today, and we have 3 more packs. Darius, Cogswin, Coleman. Hey, fine Pikachu V. Okay, we got 2 celebrations. So yeah, we did get 2 new ones from this set. We got a Krog, a Lugia, a Groudon, a Refresher Research. Last pack magic. Let's see if we can get that gold Mew. If not, we got 2 new ones from the celebration set. Krog, Cosmog, Dago, Zamzetta. But you know what? These were the 2 new ones, and I am happy. So, yeah, and then we also got this one from Darkness Ablaze. So these are the hits, I would say. Yes, I am happy.